On a typical day at Auckland Airport, about 30,000 people travel through the International Terminal building. Passenger numbers rise and fall throughout the day as we go through quiet and busier periods, and also passengers move through the terminal in quite big groups, which has a really big impact on how we heat and cool the terminal. As the terminal gets busy, more people generate more heat, and as it gets quieter, the space is cooled quite quickly. As people are down here getting excited for their trips, all the hard work is going on up above us.
Here we are on the roof of the International Terminal, and what we have is 11 heat pumps that have been installed over the last 18 months. The heat pumps are about 600 kilowatts, which, to put into context, is around about 100 times bigger than the ones that you would have at home. These units give us the ability to be able to heat and cool the different zones within the terminal.
Historically, our air conditioning system has been run by natural gas boilers, but with the infrastructure development program, we saw an opportunity to transition the natural gas boilers to a more efficient, lower carbon electric heat pump. Our goal with this heating and cooling system is that passengers don't notice a thing. They'll move through the terminal noticing no change in air temperature.